Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be making slutty brownies. So, I've never made slutty brownies before. I heard about it on YouTube like 4 or 5 months ago, and I was like, why not? That sounds amazing. So, all it is, I got all my ingredients over here. They're already done. So, all I got to do is like pop, 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 stack them all together and throw it in the oven. And I'm a little concerned. So, let me tell you the ingredients, okay? So, the ingredients are uh, you got chocolate chip cookie on the bottom, okay? Then you got a layer of Oreos, and then you got a layer of brownies, right? So, only problem is like chocolate chip cookies only have to be in the oven for like 10 minutes, and this brownie batter has to be in for like 30. What do you do, right? Like, how do you split the difference? We'll see what happens. So, this will be an experiment. For those who don't know, I've been on keto, I've been trying to lose weight, yada yada. I've like been on my journey for like a year. I've been waiting for this dessert forever, like months since I heard about it, and I'm just excited to finally like dig in because I figured this is the week of Thanksgiving. Like I'm just gonna like have a little splurge day. Kind of already dug into it a little bit because I went to the grocery store, right, and then there's cookie dough. You gotta like you gotta take a spoonful of cookie dough, like raw, right, because it's cookie dough, and then there was like a whole sleeve of Oreos, so one of the rows is already missing. This has got to get out of my house quick. That's all I'm saying, okay? Once it's made, out of my house. Like, goodbye. All right, so here's what we have. We got store-bought, like, from the box, just some generic batter, like for brownie batter. Got the double stuffed Oreos, And then, I'm not going to show you. Okay, maybe I'll show you a little bit. I dug into the cookie dough just a little bit, like, there. Wait, hold on, you can't see. So stick this on the bottom. I'm going to use this pan. And I'm only going to go up to as obviously as high as it'll let me go. And I'm just going to dump the rest because, if you hear some crinkling, look, see, trying to be all clean, hygienic. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the cookie dough first. And, see, you can't see how, look at that. My finger, like, see, this is it level. It level, and it goes, wah, 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 wah. I had a little bit of cookie dough. Maybe that was the non-hygienic part. Since I double dipped. But it's okay. I live alone. It's just, if I'm going to serve it up, I'm going to just serve it up to like my parents, they've had worse. Plus, if it's going in the oven, right? And you maybe double dipped a little bit. It's going in the oven. It's safe. It's clean. Okay. Like look, I use gloves. Everything here is, I already like cleaned everything down. I'm good. All right, you guys. I'm out of breath. This should not be called slutty brownies. This should be called like working girl brownies. Because let me tell you, trying to get this in this pan and flatten it down, that's a lot of work. If I'm going to be eating junk food, I need something simple and easy, like me, like a slutty girl me. That's what I need. All right, let's stack these Oreos. All right, that worked out pretty evenly. They fit almost perfect in there. I was thinking, who probably came up with this this dessert tray? I bet you it was a girl who was like, let's combine the three most amazing things, cookie, like Oreos, and some brownies, put them together, because she probably got broken up with, and then she got like a tub of Ben and Jerry's, and this was her dinner one day. This was her recovery meals. Some girl created this. All right, just threw the brownie batter on. I'm gonna stick it in the oven for shit, I don't know. The cookies say 12 minutes. Brownies are 30 minutes. Should we just do like 20, and then we'll do a check. We'll do a check at like 20. All right, here we are at 20 minutes. That still looks jiggly. So, okay, I'm gonna leave it in for like another 10. All right, y'all. It's been like 40 minutes. Okay, it's been in there for a long time. You can see I checked it right there at like the 30-minute mark, and it was still fudgy. Is that the right word? Fudgy, runny, water. I don't know. I'm gonna try it again. 1 second. See, it's still liquid. How long am I supposed to leave this in here for? Like, that right there, that's liquid, right? That's not even like... Okay, y'all, this is becoming a fail. I don't know how... Okay, I'm gonna pop it back in for... I don't even know. I'm just gonna leave it in. All right, y'all. It has been a freaking hour and a half. Okay, this thing has been baking. I thought I gave it a reasonable guesstimated amount of time that it needed. 25, 30 minutes, an hour and like 20 minutes it's been in there. And you're going to see I've stabbed this thing so many times. Keep checking every 10 minutes. Keep checking. I'm over it. I'm done. I quit. Throw it in the towel. It is what it is. If it's cooked, great. If it's not, I'm done. I don't care anymore. I'm exhausted at this point from this stupid baking experience. It's not even worth it. All right, let me show you. I'm gonna cut this thing open. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna try it. Oh, I hope it's worth it. Okay, let's go try this. See, y'all see how many times I stabbed this thing? Right there. I don't even understand what I did wrong. Like you can barely see that there's layers in here. It just looks like a mess. Okay. It was so pretty on other people's YouTube channels. It's all layered. This is what I get. Like a blob, okay? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna tell you what I think real quick. Hold on. Let me take a bite of this. So I'm gonna make sure I get all the layers. Okay, get everything. Because I freaking worked long for this. God dang, see you can't... Ugh. I'm frustrated at this point. You know what? I'm just gonna pick up my hands. I don't even care. Okay. It tastes like raw brownies. Don't waste your time. If you can find these at some store or some like cute boutique or some place that does baking, buy it from them. Don't try to make this don't make this yourself. This is a nightmare to make. Okay? Don't do this. Don't do this to yourself.